Hi friends. So I started an experiment last weekend, Friday or Saturday, because our mystery Doug talked about flowers blooming and water coming up the stem and how flowers look like they move. So I thought it would be a great idea to try putting some flowers into food coloring and seeing how that food coloring would then, I mean, we're not going to see it go up, but we would see the flowers change colors. I had hoped at least after one day. So it's been a long experiment because this is what happened. First I started with our daisies. You can see the daisies in the green. You can't really see it in the video. There's well, maybe a little bit there. You can see that there's a tinge around the center of the daisy. Yellow, even a little more difficult to see. Blue, you can see that it did creep up a little bit into the flowers here, but not as much as I thought it would. So that is from Saturday. Friday or Saturday I put those in. I can't quite remember because I thought it would work, and it might change a little bit more, but it's not moving as quickly. So then I bought some mums. Okay, these have been in for 2 days. You can see that it is changing the colors. I am hopeful that it will change them a little more over time, but just not as quickly. These are, I did some in blue and some in green. I also used more food coloring with this round of coloring than I did the first round. So now I am going to try using a different flower. I was looking for carnations originally and couldn't find them. So I got my hands on some white carnations. So I'm going to cut the flowers again and try again here. So we're going to start all over with these and see how they turn out. Okay, so just like our flower cutting in our classroom, I'm going to hold the flowers underneath the water as I cut them. Has to not let air in to the stems. Okay. All right. So we're going to just get this one. This bud probably will soak some up too. The first time with the daisies, I actually left a lot of the flowers connected, and I thought that that's why it wasn't working, was because the stems were really thick. So then I did another video cutting those down into one flower per stem, and it still didn't make much of a difference. And then went to the mums. All right, so got our flowers. I'm going to get out my yellow and my blue food coloring, and I'm going to do 3 again and do yellow, blue, and green. So let me take the caps off of those. All right, so in our jars, I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna do 1, 2. All right. So what I'm gonna do is just scoop some water out of my right. There's our colors. We've got our blue, our green, and our yellow. I think my yellow is almost empty. I'm just gonna, squeak out a little bit more just since that's a lighter color. All right. So now we're going to put our flowers in. I'm just going to transfer them quickly from the water to the jar. Grab a few at a time. Okay. All right, friends, I will post an update. Let's see what happens with these. I'm going to post pictures of what these look like. Let's see. Let's look at them tonight after about 5 hours.